Microsoft just killed Office. Is Windows the next one? Let's try to review how all this AI madness is killing us. So first, let's go by parts. Why Office is so important for the pop culture? Office was introduced in 1989 in Mac, and yes, I was totally desperate for it. I gotta say that my first approach with Office was in Windows 3.0. That was way more than 30 years right now, I think so. But it's great to see how the technology has been growing from there, and how in those times, that you can type things in a screen, not in a typewriter, was so great. So over the time, the brand Office has been in the collective people, everyone. If you tell to my mom, I think so, if she knows about Office, definitely she knows what it is, But if you tell her what is ChatGPT, I don't think that she had an idea what it is. There are all these things about AI is how all the great companies are investing in trying to tell us what to do and how to think. Is exactly what I am totally disagree. I gotta say that the technology of the AI is so cool, you can use it for many things, but why to change a thing that really works and works pretty well? So why to tell to the new generations that Office didn't exist and now it's a Microsoft 365 Copilot? So what are the implications? What's gonna happen with Office? Well, not that much. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all those softwares are going to keep working normally as you have been using it, but the primacy will be right now Copilot. So I don't know exactly how it's gonna work. It's like I will tell Copilot to write my thing. Well, probably, yeah. I think it's like what they want. In general, the software is gonna be the same. It's just a simple change of the name. Definitely, I think that if I wanna tell to my kids like, hey, I used to play with this or type myself the things on Word in a thing called Office, probably they were not gonna understand it. I gotta be honest, I'm an oldie. And this AI thing is it's such a great thing, but it's so annoying to have it everywhere. So I need to try to digest this thing that they just simply want us to use AI all the time. You go to X and you have to use Grok. You go to ChatGPT. My Windows is now using Copilot everywhere. Amazon, there are many Chinese LLMs also working, you go to Adobe and now it has an agent. Google has an agent. Jesus Christ, let's try to, I understand that they are in a race trying to be the first or the best one for the people to use it. But I think that, the magic of the technology is that you can create things with technology. And yes, you can create it with it, but you are not doing it, For example, me as a developer, I am not coding anymore. Cloud Code or Cursor does the work for me, which is great, but to be honest, the flavor is a little bit not that great. What is gonna happen with all these things? Is gonna be Windows affected with? Probably. Definitely, I don't think that Windows is gonna die at any soon future, but probably Windows as a brand, if they did it with Office, they can probably change it to something like a Microsoft Copilot OS, and I think that if that happens, a total era is gonna be die, which is for a nostalgic guy like me, not that great. Let me know what you think. Just leave the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.